This is the Phonics virtual workshop for autumn 2021. The aim of the virtual workshop is to outline the different stages in phonic development, to develop your understanding of phonics, to share how phonics is taught in school, to develop your confidence so that you can support your child, and to show examples of activities and resources you might want to do at home. So what is phonics? Phonics is the link between letters and the sounds they make. Although there are 26 letters in our alphabet, the English language has 42 phonemes, or speech sounds. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound that makes a difference to a word. A digraph is two letters that make one sound, for example, ch, sh, and a. A trigraph is three letters that make one sound, for example, I, or ear. In phase 1, we do daily speaking and listening activities. We have a broad and rich language environment. We do story, rhyme, drama, and songs. We hear sounds within the environment, and we start to segment words. At Brinsworth Whitehill, we use the Bug Club government-approved phonics scheme. Bug Club phonics is divided into phases. Children in Foundation, Year 1 and Year 2 have daily phonic lessons. Children in Foundation 1 do Bug Club Phase 1. Children in Foundation Stage 2 do Bug Club Phases 2, 3 and 4. We use a highly structured programme working through the progressive phases. Children are taught the full range of common letter, sound correspondences, of which there are 23 sounds. They learn to hear separate sounds within words and segment to write. They learn to blend sounds together and blend to read, and they read tricky words, words that are not spelt how they sound. Phase 2 is in Foundation Stage 2, Units 1 to 5, and lasts about 5 weeks. And you can see here how those units are broken down. Unit 1 then starts with s, a, t, p. Unit 2, I, n, m, and d. Unit 3, g, o, k, k. Unit 4, you can see here, combines round k with straight k to make the sound k, as in duck, e, o, and Unit 5 covers h, b, l, f, as in huff, l as in hill, and s as in hiss. Phase 3 are Units 6 to 11. Children are taught 25 more phonemes, which includes the rest of the alphabet sounds. They continue to practice segmenting. They continue to practice blending. They read further tricky words. And they start to spell Bug Club Phase 2 tricky words. Phase 3 comprises of Units 6 to 11, which lasts approximately 6 weeks. And again, you can see how the units are broken down here. So within Unit 6, we have J, V, W, X. Unit 7, Y, Z, Z, and Qu. Unit 8, Ch, Sh, F, and Ng. Unit 9, E, U, O, and A. Unit 10, R, O, and oi, and Unit 11, ow, I, ear, your, and In a typical phonics lesson, we would revisit and review the previous learning. We would then introduce the session with our fun alphabet song. We would then teach the new sound. We would practice reading the new sound and writing the new sound, which would include letter formation and words with the phoneme. We would then practice reading and eventually writing those tricky words, the words that cannot be sounded out. The first steps are important. Learning to recognise the sound that the letter makes is the first step. Each sound is supported by a short video and a demonstration of letter formation. In Foundation 1, children are taught to listen for initial sounds in words. This continues in Foundation Stage 2. We play lots of games so that they can match pictures to their initial sounds and use these letters when then going on to write words. So I've already talked about blending, where we join a series of sounds together to make a word. So in order to read a new or unfamiliar word, a child must link a phoneme to each letter, grapheme, or letter group, digraph and trigraph in a word, and then merge and join them together to say the word. Here are some examples of blending. K, a, t, cat, sh, op, shop, t, a, l, tail. Children are taught to produce the sounds as shortly as possible. For example, no on the end of sounds. After the second sound of Unit 1, we begin to introduce blending of sounds, beginning with 2-letter and then 3-letter words. You might hear your child blending to read words. For example, you might hear them say things such as b, e, d for bed, ch, I, n for chin, and g for mug. You can also segment a word for your child into the phonemes. So for example, if your child is trying to read the word pan, you could segment that into p, a, n. Again for bag, b, a, g. And rain, a, n. Why not try to blend to read dog? Now try to segment to write how about blend to read a pig's tail? We teach children to write each letter, forming it accurately. Most letters are started from the top. Pencil grip is also very important. In Foundation Stage 2, we encourage children to use the tripod grasp. You might hear your child call this pinchy parrot. There are many words that cannot be blended or segmented because they are irregular or tricky words. In Phase 2, Units 1 to 5, we have the tricky words to, the, no, go, I, and into. And in Phase 3, Units 6 to 11, we have the tricky words he, she, we, me, be, was, my, you, her, and they all are. In school, we use flashcards, picture cards, and letter fans. We also match lots of pictures and sounds. We play online games. We use magnetic letters, and we sing lots of songs and play alphabet games. So why should I help at home? Well, the national expectation is that at least 80% of children should leave Foundation Stage 2 having achieved Phase 3 phonics. They will be reading and writing independently, and they will have become confident readers and writers. So here's how you can help at home. Read, read, and read with your child. Encourage them to speak in full sentences. Make and use flashcards. Play games like I Spy. Encourage your children to write for a reason. For example, they could write a letter to their grandparents, make a shopping list, take a food order, or write a letter to Santa. Children could also rearrange word cards to make sentences. You could use magnetic letters. You could ask children to find the letter that pasta, sausage, or egg begins with. You could do things like emphasize the initial sound, p, 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 for pasta. You could make a word for them to blend of 2 or 3 letters. Maybe you could ask them to say the sounds as you point to them. You could challenge your children to find objects around the home or on your autumn walk that begin with a certain sound. When out shopping, why not look for certain letters in the shop, on the packaging or on signs? You could also segment words for children, saying things like, can you help me find the m, I, l, k? You could also help to practice children's letter formation, and we've been sending homework home to further encourage that. Writing doesn't have to always be with a pencil. You could scribe letters into sand, into shaving foam, or get into the outdoors and use chalk and water on a paintbrush. Here are some of the useful websites you can access at home to further support with phonics in your child's early reading. I hope this has been useful, but if you've got any more questions, just contact us.